Hey everyone, welcome back. Ivan Blasquez here, certified ACSM exercise physiologist, pro natural bodybuilder, and competitive triathlete. I'd like to share a new recipe that I've just come up with. This is a cool little new concoction. It's a cherry protein shake. It's actually very quick and easy to make. You don't even need a blender. All you need is a cup and a spoon, and that's it, and the ingredients. All it is I take a quarter cup of cherry juice, and then I dilute the rest with soy milk. So it's usually half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of soy milk, and I just mix it with a spoon. You can pretty much be done with it at that point. It actually comes out really good just as is. However, I like to punch up the protein, so I usually will add 2 teaspoons of either pea protein or hemp protein. But I've really been enjoying this recipe. I've also been sharing it with clients, and so the ingredients will be down in the description. And what I really like about this from the health benefit standpoint is the red tart cherries. They are also known as Montmorency cherries, and they are harvested primarily out of Michigan. I first learned about them in 2009 at the American College of Sports Medicine annual science meeting, and some of the main benefits are primarily its anti-inflammatory effects in the body, helping with recovery, as well as soreness, perhaps relieving the soreness. And also they're a natural sleep aid because they contain melatonin. They're a natural source of melatonin. So I like this recipe. Using a quarter cup of cherry juice or even a third of a cup kind of is a way to control the sugar content, and still very delicious. So it's a way to enjoy the fruit juice, the red tart cherry juice, without going too high on the sugar. So anyway, hopefully this recipe is insightful for you. I've really been enjoying it, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time.